This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake ca Meetha step by step. Break the stale cake into bite-sized pieces and set aside. Warm ghee in a pan and lightly toast chopped nuts until aromatic. Mix condensed milk with a little water for smoothness and simmer gently. Fold cake pieces into the sweetened mixture so they soak evenly and turn soft before serving warm with extra nuts. In this video, I will explain how to make cake ca Meetha step by step. Keep the pan on low heat and stir to avoid sticking. Once the condensed milk warms, add a splash of water to loosen and help absorption. Fold cake slowly so each piece soaks without turning mushy. Finish by stirring in toasted nuts and a pinch of cardamom for warmth before plating for a comforting dessert. In this video, I will review how to make cake ca Meetha step by step. If you are finding these tips useful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading easy while treats cool, perfect for kitchen breaks and recipe browsing. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a moment to subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make cake ca Meetha step by step. Spoon the warm dessert into bowls and decorate with chopped pistachios and almonds for crunch. Add a few saffron strands soaked in milk for color and fragrance that elevate the dish. Offer vanilla ice cream or plain yogurt on the side to balance richness and make each spoonful delightful for guests and family alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.